Hello class, this is your instructor, Miss Wankwala. I wanted to give you an introduction to the course and help you navigate through Blackboard as well as some things to pay attention to the syllabus. What I go over in the video will be in the syllabus quiz as well. But I always want to start off with this page so that you'll kind of see where my information is, as well as to get a little bit of know about me through the Animoto video. That is actually one of the assignments that you will do as well to get to know your other peers as well as me. And so, as I said, it's Miss Chloe Wankwala. You can do Wankwala or Miss Chloe when we speak through email or phone. Miss Chloe or Miss Wankwala is fine. You'll see that my number is there. That would be office online number. And so I do not actually have an office campus, campus office. I have an online office. I'm an online instructor. And so if you want to contact me for a meeting, for help, we would have to do that through Skype or the phone. But please let me know 24 to 48 hours ahead of time if you would like to set up a meeting so I can confirm that. I also try my best to get back to you between 24 to 48 hours when it comes to email or phone. Only when it's during the week, Monday through Friday. And also it does not include weekends or holidays. So keep that in mind. Here are my office hours. Now, you can call after this as far as you need to leave voicemail, and I try and get to you within those 24 to 48 hours. Just that if you do, please keep it between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That you call, and then I'll get back to you in that time frame. These are the hours, though, if you want to set up a meeting or get me, and I'll be available for the office. So here you'll see, if you click here, is go into a video to get to know a little bit more about me, and you'll give you an example too for your Animoto video assignment you have for your discussion board. So just some highlights in there. I love SpongeBob. I love Marvel movies. Just saw Avengers Endgame twice with it. I also am an author, mentor, and speaker. You can see all my stuff at chloemgooden.com. And I love teaching. I love what I do. So there's a couple of highlights, and so you can see the rest on the video as well. So other thing that you will see there is when you actually open up your class, you'll see the announcements page. And so here, you don't see anything yet because I haven't sent out this video, but I'll send out like this video announcements each week as far as updates. But that's the first thing you will see. You will not actually see homepage. I'm going to delete that. And so then after that, you will see the syllabus and start here. So this is where you will find your syllabus for the course. Read that thoroughly. I go over my late work policy on there. I also have the email etiquette in there. You will need to go over that before you email me to ensure that that's properly done. I also have some other important information on there. You need to read that thoroughly. That will be on your syllabus as well. Syllabus quiz. And you do have to complete this by the date that I have on the calendar. I'll show you where that is in a second, or you will be dropped from the course. Also, if you've never taken a Blackboard online course, you will need to go through here to ensure you have the software that's needed. It kind of gives you like an overview of the online class world. Please make sure to go through this. You'll see in my syllabus as well. I do not take late work due to technical difficulties or internet outages. That is solely up to you to make sure you have backup and you have what you need for this course. I will not take late work for that, so please do not ask. So you need to make sure to go through your syllabus as well as remembering what we're going on with the video and Blackboard. After that, this is your grade. So as you go through and do your assignments and I grade them, it will give you the update to that grade here. Okay? Always give me 1 to 2 weeks and to grade your information. Give me time to do that. A ton of students when it comes to giving feedback. After that, you'll see a course schedule. Now, I actually have it to where you can print it as well. I will put that here. It should be a file. But you'll be able to actually print your calendar. I really suggest to do that. I have this here too if you just want quick access to your phone, etc. But I definitely suggest to print out the calendar. All of your due dates are there. Sometimes Blackboard has these discrepancies with Eastern time, etc. I will not take late work because, Blackboard said this. No, if you do everything by this calendar date, you'll be fine. Do everything by the time that it has on the calendar. Okay. After that, you'll see the weekly chapter content and assignment. So the way it works is each week you will open up a tab, and then within that week, it will show you the PowerPoints for that week, information. Make sure to look through videos that I have, links, because they are liable to possibly pop up on your chapter quiz as well. And then you'll see information to help you with the assignments that come up, and then you'll see your assignment and then your quizzes. So each week I have everything in the week, so you don't have to click on anything else. All you have to do is just click on that week folder. As long as you make sure to complete whatever's in that folder, you are good for that week. And so you'll see that it has each week on there. Everything is open, totally up to you if you'd like to work on something early. I do suggest though to kind of pace yourself. After that, you have the My Library and Study Help. And so this is really good if you want to know about information with the library and resources that they have to help you, how to make appointments through Starfish. When it comes to research, the librarians and as well as the tutors are on here. If you do have issues when it comes to Blackboard, you will need to contact Blackboard. Okay, I cannot help you with that area. You would have to contact them. They do have a 24/7 help desk, and then they also have a SkyCT library help desk. If you have issues with Blackboard, you need to contact them with that. Okay. Now, when it comes to the Blackboard course, that is definitely a good rough view of, quick rough view to what can go on with the class. As long as you are keeping up with each week as far as what you do in the calendar, you should be fine. Please ensure to read that syllabus thoroughly. I do not take late work by any means necessary. I do not do that. So keep in mind to have all of your due dates in your calendar, whether it's on your phone or keeping up on your calendar at home. As like I said before, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to email me or call, but ensure to check the email etiquette before you do that. I hope you have a great semester.